Hi everyone, welcome to la Cosedora nail art. I'm Lady and today we will be doing shrink stamping technique to reduce size of your designs. So let's do it! I'm going to use our stamping plate Beauty in Bloom inspired by spring season. We need two types of stamper, this gum sticky and this clear regular stamper. Don't forget that these stampers have to be cleaned with tape or similar adhesives. Take a nail polish bottle with this kind of cup, and all you have to do is pull down from the edges of a sticky gum, stamp, and set slowly release. Cover with a layer of top coat and after 5 minutes remove the sticker carefully from the stamper. Careful not to damage it. Remember to pull down uniformly to keep correct front of the design. Look at how many sizes you can achieve depending on the force you put on. Here you can see my sweet mat. It's a silicone mat you can use to make stickers. Just cover with a layer of top coat. When you pull up the sticker, do it carefully and cut the edges. Place it on the stamper so you can easily stamp it on your nail. Finish by applying top coat. And I hope this video was helpful, and if you have questions, please let me know in comments. Don't forget to visit our Amazon store if you want to get our stamping products. See you the next time. Bye!